Hey there, future IELTS champs. Are you ready to crush the writing and speaking sections? I'm here with 5 killer strategies that will help you score 7+ bands in IELTS. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to IMS Venturi. Tip number 1. Understand the assessment criteria. Know what the examiner is looking for. Tip number 2. Seek feedback. Practice makes perfect, but feedback makes you a star. Find a study buddy, join a class, or use online tools to help you get tips. Tip number 3. Expand your vocabulary. Big words are great, but using them correctly is even better. Tip number 4. Polish your fluency and pronunciation. Speak English every single day and record yourself. Clear and natural speech will help you boost your score. Tip number 5. Structure your answers like a pro. For writing, organize your thoughts in clear paragraphs, and for speaking, back every answer with a solid reason. So, there you have it, 5 strategies that will help you ace your writing and speaking sections. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. Good luck and see you next time.